3號強風信號現正生效。喺晚上11點，颱風泰利集結喺香港之西南偏西大約390公里，即係北緯21.2度、東經110.6度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約18公里，橫過雷州半島。泰利已經喺廣東湛江附近登陸，本地風勢亦都逐漸減弱，但係受到佢影響，本港西南部離岸海域同高地仍然間中吹烈風。隨住泰利進一步遠離本港，天文台會喺凌晨時分發出1號戒備信號，以取代3號強風信號。海面仍然有大浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊，停止所有水上活動。喺過去1個鐘，昂坪、長洲同橫瀾島分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時89、65同61公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時115、74同79公里。
The strong wind signal, number 3, is in force. At 11 p.m., Typhoon Talim was estimated to be about 390 kilometers west-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 21.2 degrees north, 110.6 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 18 kilometers per hour across Leizhou Peninsula. Talim has made landfall near Zhanjiang, Guangdong. Local winds are also weakening gradually. However, under its influence, occasional gales are still affecting the offshore waters of the southwestern part of the territory and high ground. With Talim moving further away from Hong Kong, the observatory will issue the standby signal, number 1, to replace the strong wind signal, number 3, shortly after midnight. Seas are still rough with swells. Please stay away from the shoreline and do not engage in water sports. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nongping, Chungchao, and Waglan Island were 89, 65, and 61 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 115, 74, and 79 kilometers per hour respectively.